Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this nice fluffy creamy shea butter recipe. This shea butter is great for your hair will thank you for it. And guys, it is winter period, our hair needs this guys. So if you want to know how I made this creamy fluffy shea butter recipe, keep watching guys. Guys, these are all the oils I'm going to be using for the shea butter recipe. You can decide not to use as much as this. I personally love to combine lots of oil to my shea butter mix. So guys, you can decide how much oil you want for your shea butter mix. Here I've got my leave-in conditioner. You can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice. And I've got my avocado oil, aloe vera oil, neem oil, extra virgin olive oil, black seed oil, Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, and for the essential oil I'm using lavender. So I'm only adding one essential oil. You can decide to add more if you have it, just to make it smell really nice. And also essential oils has a lot of great benefits for the hair. And of course you're also going to be needing your shea butter. This shea butter is all natural all the way from Nigeria, thanks to my wonderful friend who brought this for me all the way from Nigeria. Thumbs up to you girl. And for mixing, you're going to be needing a bowl and a spoon. So you need a jar like this. Make sure that your jar is made of glass and it can be tightly sealed so the oils in it doesn't oxidize. I'm not going to get my shea butter 100% melted because I find out that each time I get it 100% melted, my shea butter goes greasy and I don't want that. If you want your shea butter to be nice, fluffy and creamy, try not to melt everything. So I'm just going to leave this for a couple of minutes to get melted, not 100% like I said before. And I'm just going to keep an eye on this. I will keep checking from time to time. After some time, your shea butter should look something like this. And now it is ready to be mixed. Right now I'm going to transfer this into a bowl for easy mixing. So right now I'm just going to grab 2 tablespoonfuls of coconut oil and I'm just going to add it to the shea butter. Next, I'm going to be adding my castor oil to this. I'm adding 2 tablespoonfuls of castor oil. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoonfuls of neem oil. 2 tablespoonfuls of black seed oil. 2 tablespoonfuls of avocado oil. 2 tablespoonfuls of extra virgin olive oil. And for my leave-in conditioner, I'm adding about 3 tablespoons. And I'm adding about 10 drops of lavender essential oil. And now it is time to start mixing, and I'm going to be using my hand blender to mix this all together until I get a nice creamy consistency. Once I'm satisfied with the consistency, it is time for me to transfer this into a jar. In order to get this neatly into my jar, I'm first going to be transferring this into a bag. Next, I'm going to use my scissors to cut the bottom of it. And then I'll gently begin to transfer this into the jar. And now you have your nice creamy fluffy shea butter recipe, great for the hair. Guys, your hair will thank you for this, trust me. This is a bomb guys, my hair loved this. I was able to get 2 jars of shea butter from this mixture, and I'm going to store the other one in the fridge until I'm ready to use it. And guys, this is all about this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please Go on, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and if you're watching us for the first time, thank you so much and you're welcome to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video to friends and family, and like this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye.